Muriithi aruga kwaga guthingatithia mawatho maria magathikitwo ni thirikari ta gwikira mask, kwaga gukuhaniriria oro hamwe na gwithamba moko kaingi ni mamwe ma maundu maria macungiririe murimu uyu gutamba na gikiro kinene.
We are noticing a business as usual approach amongst citizens, particularly when it comes to funerals, and we would like to persuade citizens to stop it, because this is helping with the spread. And you will see over the last 2 weeks, every other day we are losing a Kenyan or two from this area.
And follow the protocols as you are guided, so that we don't get into the disease, because those who are coming to our hospitals are very critical patients that actually require oxygen, and we cannot have enough oxygen for everyone within our hospitals.
No matatu is allowed to go to Nakuru unless it is properly cleared, maybe taking students who have been sitting for the examinations.
No ona gukiri uguo augite kaunti ino yandikithitie makiria ma andu 10,400 aria mamukirite njanjo ya kugiriria kunyitwo ni virus ici, guku akihinyiriria gikaria gicigo giki na makiria andu akuru meyumirie guthecwo njanjo iyo.
Ultimately we want to vaccinate between 30 and 40% of the population nationwide in order to help us reach a certain immunity level.
The restaurants, bars and eatery areas, they must follow the COVID-19 protocols, and anybody in our markets and in our towns who is not going to be seen wearing the face masks should be arrested forthwith.
Muthikabu wa kanitha wa Gatoliki Diocese ya Nyahururu Joseph Batia ahinyiririe a Kenya matikanoge kurumirira mawatho maria magathikitwo ma kurwa na murimu uyu.
Kutii ni kuchagua maisha na kukataa kifo. Kwa hivyo tutii maagizo haya ambayo tumewekewa na Wizara ya Afya.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ria muikari giti wa CMA Parish ya Cathedral John Muthee uria no muhuri biacara wi gatũ taũni-inĩ ya Nyahururu, Muthikabu Batia augite guthingatithia mawatho maya no njĩra ĩmwe ya kuonania rwendo kũrĩ andũ arĩa angĩ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma taũni ya Nyahururu, njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.